It is running.
Are we ready?
Go ahead, whack it in. Keep going. That's it. Okay, with a half inch. Take it. Hold on.
Alright, what I'm going to do is pull it right
Any
there.
way you want. Just pull it to the side. Nothing. Shit. Okay. Still straight. Okay. Take it again. Find another spot. Don't be a pussy.
Well, I'll go here. Very close. We ready?
Yep. Knock it in. Hit it hard.
Well,
Keep
I don't
going.
want to go past the point.
That's it. That's it. That's it.
We ready?
3/4 of an inch. Just bend it back.
Okay.
And still straight. Still straight.
Zoom in on
Still
here.
straight.
This is what
Well,
happened.
I'll zoom in when I'm...
Yeah. It dug it out.
Yeah, it did.
Do we go an inch, another 1/4 inch?
Let's see. We're straight. We're straight. Okay, see if we can figure out about
Want me
there.
to get the... want me
No,
to
we
get the
can we
measure?
can estimate. Just find another
Okay.
spot.
Well, how about right here again?
Go ahead. Use that brass. Use the brass.
No.
Yes, yes. Brass is softer
Oh.
than steel. Keep going.
Still there?
Yeah, go ahead. Okay, that's good. Hold on, let me make sure.
Got me?
Go ahead. Go, 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 go.
This ain't easy. God damn it.
Do it.
I hear it twing, but it's the wood.
Find a spot further away so it doesn't look like it's weakening the wood.
All right,
Hold
how
on,
about
I'm
here?
gonna get an angle here.
I mean,
Well, I'm trying
am I
to get-
wrong in guessing that this could be...
No, it's a good idea. I got no complaint with that. Do it. Do it.
sir. How am I?
No, you suck, but that's good. Go ahead.
Deep enough?
Yeah.
All right. Here we go.
Here. Hold on. It's running. Yeah, go ahead and just drive it in. Use the brass.
I'm bouncing off.
Okay, let a man who knows how to hit. Hold
Yeah.
my beer.
Shit. Oh, thank you.
Oh, shit. It was all a trick. Okay. Make sure I'm in frame.
I hate to tell you, but it was off.
No, it wasn't. It just goes...
All right, you're in frame. Yeah, you hit your hand.
Whoa. Okay.